Oh, you like The Grudge? Hmm? You like The Grudge?
No,
Why?
I hate anything.
How about Zombie?
No!
Why?
I hate anything.
How about this?
No!
Why? You
I
like
hate.
you know The Grudge is like the Angry Birds. They're
What?
cute. The Grudge is cute. The zombies are cute like Angry Birds.
No, there's no zombie and Angry Bird. There's only birds.
No, yeah, Angry the Grudge.
That's not Angry Garage.
How about the Angry the Zombie Halloween?
No.
Yeah.
No.
Why?
I don't hate it. I hate anything.
Why you hate Angry Birds? So you hate Angry Birds now. Hey. And like The Grudge. Let's type Angry Birds. Okay.
Okay, type Angry Bird.
Angry Birds. YouTube. Hey shit.
God.
Okay, let's type hey, oh, hey, the table. No. Okay, let's type Angry Birds. Look, it's Angry Birds.
No.
What is that? Oh, let's find it. Oh, this is Angry Birds.
That's not.
Look.
No.
What is that?
Nothing.
No Angry Birds?
No. Type Angry Bird.
Angry Bird, what?